Welcome back to Primetime News. It's not where you're coming from, but where you're going. A message from the De La Vega Community Combined Cadet Corps in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, as it encourages trainees to become future leaders. With this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, here's Kian Morgan.
Changing stigmas and stereotypes one march at a time. That's the aim of the De La Vega Community Combined Cadet Corps in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Established in 2013, the society has been on a mission to promote discipline and character building among youths in volatile communities.
We take up a role as the counselor for that child, the teacher, the parent for that child. It is not just a drill instructor, but it's also a mentorship program.
Speaking recently at the Corps Adult Ranking Ceremony, Community Commander Colonel Chevon Lewis says having a community role model for children to look up to is essential.
We are building out our communities and we want leaders within the communities. So we actually commissioned some officers to be a part of this movement.
It is why, for its 10th anniversary, the Corps has expanded its reach, targeting children within the home.
We look at field craft to an extent. We look at drill. Well, our main focus is drill. Good. We seek counseling for our children because they have been going through a lot.
The Corps, which focuses its efforts within the Rivoli and Garbally communities, accepts youths between the ages of 7 to 18 years. 17-year-old Sergeant Foster says that since joining a year ago, there has been a significant change in his attitude and bad habits.
Cadet is very difficult doing physical activities, and well, it benefits me to control my anger issues, and it benefits all of us overall.
And for 16-year-old Dejanay Cox, she has become more sociable and disciplined.
This institution will help me to become a better person, and there's a lot of opportunities here for further future goals. Such as being soldiers, police officers, etc.
Resident Sheila Morgan says it's a good look for Spanish Town.
It's a development to what will improve young children's life. You know, they can get involved away from football, netball, and other activities.
So all the children out there, that you must be respectful, respect your parents, your peers as well, and don't forget that God is always with you.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.